Hey guys, I hope you had a great weekend, but it's Sunday night. I'm going to give you your rundown. So this week, opening tomorrow the 11th, is our section on Virginia Woolf. We are going to have 2 weeks to finish this particular lesson, and this lesson includes a research paper, so do not wait till the last minute. So let's click on it. You are going to read A Haunted House, and then you are also going to choose another short story from this collection, and I'll show you how to pull that up in just a minute. Assignments for this week, and these guys are due 4:25. You have a stream of consciousness discussion, and then you also have a stream of consciousness essay. So here's just a cute little video on why you should read Virginia Woolf. Here is a Google Doc biography of Virginia Woolf, and then here is the collection of stories. So I'm going to show you how to navigate this. So click on it, and here is the index. Okay, so we have a haunted house, which we're going to do together, and then you also have a society, Monday or Tuesday, an unwritten novel, and then these other 4 stories here. And what you're going to do is you're going to choose one of these other stories to write your essay on, okay? And you can just click on it and it'll take you straight to it. So that's how you're going to navigate the book. Well, let's go back to the assignment and tell you a little more about that. Now, a haunted house is hard to understand. When you watch this Virginia Woolf biography, you'll kind of get an idea of what stream of consciousness is. Because it is such a difficult story, if you will click here, I read it to you. So I'm going to read the story. I'm going to stop every other sentence and we'll talk about it. So that'll kind of help you get used to reading stream of consciousness, because it's really hard if you try to go it alone the first time. We are going to have a little discussion board here. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to try to read A Haunted House by yourself, because this guy right here is kind of asking you a few questions about stream of consciousness and if you liked it. Then listen to me read it, and that way you can have 2 opinions on what it was like, the experience for you to do it by yourself, and then the experience of me just doing it for you. Okay? And then here is your essay. So let's click on it. So you're going to choose one of the other short stories, and you're going to write a 1,200-word essay on that story. You're going to need 3 scholarly sources for this essay. Make sure that you do not have a match overview percentage that is higher than 35%. At that point, I think your paper is plagiarized. So make sure it is below 35%. Also, this essay will need to be in MLA format, and you need to make sure that you have in-text citations for this paper. Now, there are 2 different routes that you can take with this paper. One, you can either compare and contrast the new short story that you're choosing with A Haunted House, or you can explicate another short story, kind of like I did with A Haunted House. You can't do A Haunted House, though. You have to choose another one and then explicate it for yourself. Just tell about what is happening, who is speaking, what does this story mean, all of those things, okay? And again, guys, remember, plagiarism gets an automatic 0. I do not tolerate plagiarism. So please take your time, use those sources effectively, and I look forward to reading these papers. So I believe that is all that I want to say about that. So discussion, essay, I read the story to you. You pick your other story from here. Make sure you watch this Google Doc, because I tell you what stream of consciousness is, and I think it'll help you. Okay? All right. So as always, if you need me, please just email. I'm here to help you in any way that I can. And I hope you guys have a great one. All right. We'll see ya.